Good morning, guys. My name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and today I want to talk to you about this Sunny Pedal Exerciser. So this is one of my favorite devices. I recommend this for a lot of patients who are going home following knee surgery, ankle, hip, any kind of lower extremity condition. But this also does really well for the shoulders, the neck, the upper body. So if you notice, I've got this set up on a kitchen counter. This is a standard kitchen counter height. I will typically set the machine backward so that the handles are a little closer to the individual using it, and they would use it just like they would a bicycle for the arms. I'm sorry, a bicycle for the legs, but they're using it for the arms. We can go forward, we can go backward. One of the things that I like about this device is that it does have a resistance gauge that you can set. It also has a built-in timer on top. Once we finish the exercise on the counter, we can bring the device around the corner, set it down in front of us in a chair. Now, for safety reasons, I always like to back the chair up against the counter where I just was exercising this way. It's less likely to tip backward if I'm pushing in with the legs too hard. But now my clients can work forward rotation, backward rotation. If somebody is working on range of motion about the knee, once they loosen up and get the motion they want here, they can move the device a little bit closer. This is going to get more range of motion. They can even move the device almost under the feet. So you're really not using it at this point as a cardiovascular exercise. You're using it to continue to increase the range of motion in the knee itself. The same is true for the ankle. If I'm working with a client who's had any kind of ankle injury, from this position, if you guys can see the foot and ankle, I can control how much dorsiflexion or plantar flexion I have through the ankle. I can use a scooping action as I come around the pedal. If I go backward, I can use ankle flexion, dorsiflexion in order to gain that range of motion, to feel some pulling and stretching. The only downside to a device like this is the fact that it's so low to the ground. It's not really sized appropriately for somebody who's probably 6 feet or taller. This is an ideal device for somebody who's under 6 feet, smaller framed. They have an easier time making the full revolution. But if your feet, I wear a size 9.5 shoe. If your feet are bigger than that, you're typically gonna hit the ground as you go through the motion. So guys, we've been really happy with it. We've used this Sunny machine in the clinic for well over 3 years now. We've never had any issues with it. And thank you for watching.